Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can tap on Files category. Select one of those apps and click on Audio filter at the top. Then just hold your audio file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video, though, you can't go through File section. You need to access Gallery, tap on Folders, then tap on Videos filters at the top, and add your video the same way as audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!